butterfly. Grab your pencil and a sheet of paper and let's get started. We're going to start in the middle with the butterfly's body. Let's start by drawing a long, rounded vertical shape that looks like a sausage. Then, draw little horizontal lines across the body, like this. That looks great! The butterfly's main body is complete. Now, we need to add the antennae. The antennae are these two pointy feelers on the top of our butterfly's head. Did you know that butterflies' antennae help them balance while flying? Butterflies also use their antennae to smell the world around them. How cool! So, let's draw them in. Draw two tiny thin rectangles at the top of the body, just like this. Then, add two horizontal ovals, one on the top of each rectangle. Yay! Now, your butterfly will be able to smell the flowers. Next, let's add the eyes so our butterfly can see where it's going. To do this, draw two small circles in the top section of the body, like this. Great work! Did you know that baby butterflies don't have wings? They start out as eggs, hatch, and turn into caterpillars, just like the ones you see in your garden. Then, they eat a lot of leaves and snuggle into their warm chrysalis, so they can start changing into a butterfly. And when it's finally ready, the beautiful butterfly flies out of its chrysalis, probably off to find some pretty flowers. Now, it's time to give our butterfly some wings, so it can fly. On the right side, draw a shape that looks like a big number 3. Start at the top and work your way to the bottom of the body like this. Try to make the top much bigger than the bottom to create the perfect wing shape. Now, the left side. Draw a backwards 3 shape starting at the top of the body. Try to make it the same size as the right side. Now, we've got the second wing. Looking good! I'm impressed. Now, we need to add a smaller version of the same shape inside each wing to create a border, like this. Do the same on the other side of the body, so that the wings look the same. Finally, draw 2 circles inside each of the wings. The circle on the top half of the wing should be bigger than the circle in the bottom half. Take a look. First, we draw a circle in the top, larger half of the wing. Then, we add a smaller circle in the bottom section. Make sure to do this on both sides, like this. So far, so good! Our butterfly is almost ready to fly. Now that we've drawn our butterfly, it's time to bring it to life with a splash of color. You can follow our suggestions or create your own color scheme. It's up to you. There are no limits when it comes to the colors you can find on butterfly wings. For our butterfly, we'll be using light pink, hot pink, purple, yellow, orange, black. Light pink. First, use the light pink crayon to color in the stripes on the butterfly's main body. Be sure to leave every other line blank. Don't forget to color in those antennae too. That looks good! Hot pink. Then, use the hot pink crayon to color the other lines, the ones we left blank. Fill them in to create a striped effect. Ta-da! Purple. Use the purple crayon to color the border of each of the wings. Did you know that purple butterflies are a sign of good luck? Pretty cool, right? Now, your butterfly will bring you good luck too. Woohoo! Yellow. Grab your yellow crayon to color the intersection of each of the wings like this. Have you ever seen a yellow butterfly in your garden? That means that something fun and exciting is going to happen soon. What could it be? Orange. Let's color in the large and small circles on each pair of wings. Take your time. There's no need to rush. Do your best to stay within the lines. There are tons of species of orange butterflies, including the monarch and the red admiral. black. Now, all that's left are the eyes. Grab your black crayon now. Use it to fill in the butterfly's eyes. Start with the left eye, then color in the right eye. Wow! What a beautiful butterfly! Great job! Parents, your child has done an amazing job. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingokids app.